Rocks have been around for billions of years. Your left sock, 3 washes and it's gone. Physics is personal. Welcome to the club where everything falls apart and we're all just trying to keep our toast on the table. But here's the twist. There's a reason your snacks betray you faster than your ex. It's called entropy. Sounds like a fancy word for your messy bedroom, right? Wrong. It's actually the universe's favorite law, and it does not care about your plans. Ever wonder why your clean room becomes a disaster zone overnight? Spoiler. It's not you, it's physics. Let's talk about the avocado. You buy it firm. You stare at it for 6 days. You finally cut it. Green slime, congratulations. You just witnessed molecular decay in real time. Nature does not do pause, and you won't believe what actually happens next. Inside every atom, molecules are vibrating like they just drank 3 espressos. They bump, they break, they wander off. Order is just a temporary illusion. Chaos is the default setting, and honestly, it's exhausting just thinking about it. So why do rocks survive? They don't. They're just slow. Their atoms are locked in silicon bonds so tight they'd take a geological epoch to complain. Even back in 1900, physics was already sabotaging your breakfast. Rocks win by playing the long game. Here's the cosmic joke. Building something perfect takes effort. Breaking it takes 0. The universe loves a good demolition derby. You spend hours organizing your desk. Gravity and dust laugh. Entropy wins. Every single time. Think of entropy as the universe's tax. You want order. Pay up. Energy, time, sweat. You want chaos. Totally free. Just do absolutely nothing. Watch your phone charger unravel. Watch your playlist skip to that song you swore you'd delete. Your fridge, a tiny rebellion against the dark. Pumps energy in, keeps the molecules calm, buys you extra days. But the moment the power cuts, the slime wins. The universe collects, always, and stick around because this changes everything. Look, existential dread is heavy, so let's lighten it. If everything decays, your mistakes don't last forever. Neither does your awkward phase. The universe is just a giant compost heap. Embrace the mess. Your laundry will fold itself, probably. Someday, far in the future, even stars will blink out. Heat death, total equilibrium. No more toast, no more socks, just cold, even boring nothing. But that's trillions of years away. Today, make the avocado toast. Life's too short for stale bread. So next time your plant dies or your Wi-Fi drops, remember, you're not cursed. You're just living in a universe that prioritizes chaos. It's not a bug, it's a feature. And honestly, it's kind of beautiful. Physics isn't out to get you. It's just tired. If you want to outsmart entropy for another day, hit subscribe. Drop a comment if your toaster betrayed you last week. We'll figure it out. Together. Probably. And remember, order is expensive. Chaos is free. Enjoy the mess.